In this video, we will be talking about 7 best habits to develop in 2020. The year 2020 has not been smooth for people around the world. The pandemic has forced us to stay at home, which has resulted in new habits, some good and some bad. Utilize this time to develop new and productive habits because successful people did not become successful by sitting idle. Instead, they reached this point by adopting useful habits and restraining themselves from indulging in useless activities. Here are some habits to develop in 2020. They demand willpower, concentration, and determination, but the end result will be worth it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more videos like this. Here are 6 best habits to develop in 2020. Number 1. Daily reading. Reading books can be boring and non-entertaining for some people, but for those who enjoy reading books is the best way to spend your time. Reading is an excellent method of increasing the wealth of knowledge and creativity levels. It has a meditating effect and helps in dealing with concentration issues. Reading fiction books opens the door of creativity and imagination. Studies suggest that keeping your brain alert and engaged reduces the chances of Alzheimer's and other mental diseases, and reading a book keeps your mind busy and active. Therefore, reading books is an exercise for mental health. Number 2. Save 10% every month. Saving for the rainy days is the best money advice one can give. Saving something every month provides financial security and does not make you helpless and penniless in times of need. Every person's earnings are different and have different kinds of expenses. Save as much as you can, but experts recommend 10% in the starting. This is the lowest percentage of your monthly income. Try to increase the percentage of savings gradually to save good money at the end of the year. It does not mean that you should compromise on your basic needs, rather spend smartly and carefully. Once you decide to set aside some money, you will be amazed at how you can save money by being a little extra cautious and watchful. Number 3. Daily exercise. Nobody is asking you to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Start by doing some light and smooth moves, like go for a 15 minutes walk, use stairs in place of an elevator, or do few squats whenever you get some free time. Develop the habit of light and easy daily exercise, and gradually move to some real exercise. Stretching your muscles relieves your body and mind, as the body is not meant to stay intact and motionless. Wake up early to benefit from morning exercise, because starting the day with exercise will keep you fresh and active the whole day. Number 4. Monthly investment. Investing your money will yield a profit that will be a great support in emergency times and after retirement. Investing some part of your monthly income in some business, bond, stocks, or real estate can be highly profitable and beneficial for your bank account. Investment grants you immunity against inflation, otherwise, your money will be decreased after paying extra for things. Through investment, your dream of a personal home can come true, and you can send your children to good schools and universities. Make an investment through proper and detailed planning, choose the method that suits you best, and earn your maximum profit to develop in 2020. Number 5. Develop a morning routine. A morning routine is a fixed set of actions that are typically performed immediately after waking up. You just cannot get up, stare at your phone, and after getting ready in haste, go to the office or college. Making morning routine means to start your day with discipline and time management. Here are some examples. First of all, wake up on time at least an hour before leaving home. Think positively that your day is going to be good today. Make a to-do list in your head and promise yourself to complete all the tasks. Do some stretches to relax your body. Never and ever skip breakfast and make it your daily ritual. Number 6. Sticking to budget. Setting a budget for each month helps in saving money, but sticking to that budget and spending being under the budget can be quite overwhelming when you come across some sale discounts or starts craving for fast food frequently. Make such budget goals that are according to your salary and lifestyle. Keep weekly track of your expenses to take a clue of your spendings. Cut off unnecessary expenditures. Make sure to write this list down. Thanks for watching.